Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to order shoes in Adidas app. First we go to Adidas, then we click this, then we search for shoes we wanted to buy. So for example, here. So for us to order it, we must add to bag. And then after that, we go to our bag and then we're gonna check this out. So for example, Samba OG shoes size is for men 8, for women 9, and the quantity is one only pair. So all we gonna do is we gonna click this checkout and then you're all set.